Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. In this video, I want to talk about an airdrop prospect that I like of a project called Action Model. I like the project because it's a productive project. It will help you take action with respect to different Web3 projects. And basically you earn points for doing so. And of course, considering we're talking Web3 projects, it's also your avenue to uncovering many of these relevant and productive Web3 projects that you didn't know of. Okay, so now what's interesting is that to be able to gain early access to this, you would need to have an Ethos score of a minimum of 1,300. Now, this will give you early product access. I fall in this category. I'm currently using the product, and you can too if you have an account on Ethos with a minimum score of 1,300. But if you upgrade to a reputation score of 1,400 on Ethos, then you would be eligible for a token allocation at TGE, meaning that it will have a token. The name of the token is going to be called LUM, and you are guaranteed of it just by upgrading your score on Ethos. So we will talk about Ethos. How do you upgrade your score on Ethos? Ethos itself could have an airdrop. You never know. At the moment, we are earning XP on it for putting up reviews and vouchers on the CT space. I will feature Ethos network in a bit. Basically, let me just go ahead and say that personally, you would see even looking superficially at my account, that those who review me, I tend to review them back. So why not? You can feel free, check out my profile on X. If you are watching my videos, you have an Ethos account. I've done 7,000 of these Web3 videos. So if you feel that you know me enough, you can go ahead and leave me a review on my profile. I would feature my profile in the description. It's Web3 Wikis. I would definitely like to reach a score of 1,400 to be able to progress on Action Model. Of course, I'll be looking to review you in turn. Okay, so that's that on how to upgrade your reputation on Ethos. You need to be reviewed. You need to be vouched by others as well. At the same time, you earn XP. Another thing you can do on Ethos towards earning a reputation is completing your daily tasks. So this is like, it's going to display here. I've completed mine, curated profiles that you can review, and generally as you review them, they will tend to review you back and stuff like that. So that helps you grow in your reputation and earn you XP. Season 2 started of Ethos network. You see, this is week 0. It just started. I have 0 XP so far, ranked 8,617. Now if you are new to Ethos, if you connect all your wallets, all your socials, it will help upgrade your reputation. So you go to your profile, link all historical wallets of yours. That should take you to the 1,300 range or close to it. So that's a good start there. So we've handled everything when it comes to Ethos network reputation. You need an invite to be able to join. I don't have invite at the moment. I had 3 recently which I gave out. So you can also contact me so that you're on my mind when next I get an invite. Now, again, 1,300 points minimum to access the product. I'll show you the product. Now, if you get 1,400 reputation, you'll be guaranteed of a token allocation. You'd be earning points with a 2x multiplier, 10% profit share, verified badge, early product access, plus more. 1,600 and above, token allocation, 15% profit share, multiplier 3x. So you get the gist there. Now, what is the product? Let me just quickly show you. So let's assume that you already have 1,300 points reputation on Ethos network. Once you arrive here and you get the extension, that will give you 10,000 points already. Although I don't think you would qualify for the airdrop, assuming the airdrop came about now. I fall in this category, so I have points, but I don't expect that as is I would qualify for the airdrop. Now, the extension, you can click on the on button to put it on, and then an action session begins. I don't know exactly what this does, but it looks like it tracks your actions in the niche of Web3. Now, if you go to action file, you'll see a lot of partner projects. With these projects, you can earn points with a huge multiplier. Coinbase, for instance, the multiplier is 13.20. So different projects here, and some of these projects are new projects that themselves have airdrop prospects. So one of the perks of using action model is you can qualify for airdrops of their partner projects. Now, if we were to expand this, you would see the different tasks that will earn you points. If you were to complete these tasks, this will earn you 7,768. I'm going to complete many of these tasks before the first epoch ends, which is ending in around 1 day. So if I expand this, this is the success criteria. Click on the top profile icon or menu or account menu in the top navigation. Click settings from the drop down menu. Click payment methods tab or link in the settings menu. Select the payment method, enter required payment details, continue. Now, I don't understand this, but I'll understand this when I get started. I'll do a follow-up tutorial about that. You can also perform these tasks out of the portal directly, even without the extension. So, now, it also seems to pay you points for other activities besides those on the dashboard. For example, here you see YouTube. I earned 7 points for activity on YouTube's, earned 647 points for activities on ChatGPT. But these, they carry multipliers, so it's easiest to earn points on here. This is a new project, by the way, Exo Market, with an airdrop prospect, so I'll definitely be interacting there. Many of the projects here I've never heard of, so that's why I like this type of airdrop prospects. The name of the token is LAM, but it's a productive tool that I would use airdrop aside. So you may want to explore all the different features here. This is coming soon. Websites. Wow. So this is also tracking my own activities. I would need to learn about that aspect of it and discuss it in another video. Okay, action file, let's see this. So designed for Web 2 to train the LAM where it matters most. So it looks like it routes your traffic. This, I think that will apply when you put on the extension and uses the information, your own information, to train maybe a decentralized model native to, like, that they are proprietor of. Incentivize Web3 to complete real action. So that's another aspect of this, of ActionFi. Web2 B2B, there is also the Web3 ActionFi, incentivizes you to complete Web3 actions. No API or integrations needed. ActionFi works immediately on any platform or website. The extension prevents bots and farmers. Then earn LAM and project tokens. Web3 projects and incentivize people to use their platforms, earning both LAM and their native token. So we'll go into the technical side of this next in subsequent videos. For now, I believe this video will do. Here it says, hello from Epoch 1, get 2x for your training, learn more about your involvement. So I'll be discussing the documentation as well in the next video. So this is early birds own the future. Founding members earn 5x multiplier. Epoch 1 participants get 2x. So this is Epoch 1 as we speak. Every month you wait, your earning potential decreases. So being early is of relevance here. Convert at TGE. Points convert to LAM at TGE. Interesting stuff. I like the project, well nuanced, deep intent, and I can perceive the vision. So now time to end this video. I've added this as an airdrop prospect on our official app Airdrop C. Just go to the airdrop portal and look for action model. It will also come with an entire publication tutorial to intimate you of the airdrop, how to approach it, and all my findings, including videos. While you're on the Airdrop C portal, don't forget to subscribe to airdrop reminders here and follow me on my socials. Now, this tool is an execution layer for airdrop, so it will remind you of your daily airdrop activities. So I'm going to be adding action model here. I would create a quest pack for it called under the niche of AI, so that I'm reminded to go to action model daily and perform my daily tasks. I've struggled with that historically when it comes to my airdrop expeditions. So to resolve that is why I created this application. It will basically time me and then remind me persistently if I fail to accomplish my task. It has push notifications. You can add it to your home screen on a mobile phone. It has a lot of other features, including a community. Check it out. And it's just 3 days old, so you can give me feedback about your experience on it. Now, if you are set to build that that app of your dream, and you don't know how to code or program and want to do so with AI, you can. Airdrop C, I used AI to build that, by the way, and I'm not, too programming savvy, so you can do it. For your inspiration, get started on Vibe Code Wiki, subscribe and watch some of the videos there. It shows my own hustle in the course of building. It just got started, so when you are prepped mentally to build, you can then contact me for the tools and how to approach it. Anything can be built, by the way. Airdrops is an example of that. I'm building 15 apps at the moment, Airdrops being one of them, and it has everything you can think of an app. It's a complete app, back end, databases, a suite of admin, an admin portal well set up and all that. So, don't fret about building that noble dream of yours. Stay awesome, take action, subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials.